Hey everyone, welcome back to CompTech Geeks. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of BitLocker, a powerful encryption tool that helps you secure your data on Windows devices. Whether you're a business professional or just someone who wants to add an extra layer of protection to their files, BitLocker is a fantastic tool to have in your arsenal. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss our tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump into it. What is BitLocker? First things first, what exactly is BitLocker? BitLocker is a disk encryption program included with Windows operating systems. Its primary purpose is to encrypt the entire drive, making it significantly more challenging for unauthorized users to access your sensitive data. Before we jump into the BitLocker setup, there are a few things you should take care of. Ensure your device is running a professional, enterprise, or education edition of Windows because BitLocker isn't available in the Home Edition. Additionally, make sure you have a TPM, Trusted Platform module, on your device. Most modern computers come equipped with TPM, but it's always good to double-check in your system settings. How to enable BitLocker? Now, let's get down to business. To enable BitLocker, follow these steps. Open the Start menu and search for BitLocker. Select the BitLocker drive encryption option. Find the drive you want to encrypt and click Turn on BitLocker. Once you've initiated the BitLocker setup, you'll need to choose how you want to unlock your drive. You have a few options, including using a password, a smart card, or both. Select the method that best fits your security needs. This step is crucial. BitLocker will generate a recovery key that you must save in a secure location. This key is your lifeline if you ever forget your password or encounter issues accessing your drive. You can save it to a USB drive, print it, or save it to your Microsoft account. Once BitLocker is set up, your drive is now encrypted. You'll notice a lock icon on the drive, indicating that it's protected. From this point forward, any attempt to access the drive requires the designated unlock method you chose during setup. And there you have it. You've successfully set up BitLocker to safeguard your data. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay secure and tech savvy.